Hey, what's up guys? It's Mark again here at Wired Customs. Right behind me we have a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. What we did today on this Jeep Wrangler is the customer needed some protection, okay? So what we did was a front camera, a rear camera, and we also added a Pioneer double-din 7-inch radio. Come check it out. That is our front camera. When we walk around to the rear, we're gonna show you the rear camera. You tell me if you can see it. I know it's kind of hard to locate right there, but let me point this out for you right there. What we do is we create a bracket which goes behind the spare tire and holds the Rydeen camera. We use Rydeen cameras and EchoMaster here. Now, once we go into the vehicle, now, you remember I mentioned protection. That's what this is. Hey, have you ever been at nighttime and didn't know what was behind you? Or pulling up to a parking space and you don't want to hit that pole? Well, this is where this comes in handy. And also, you can trigger this to turn on whenever you want within the radio. Check it out, guys. So what we're going to do to begin with, we're going to go into reverse here. That's going to trigger the rear camera. Now, to trigger the front camera, it's that easy, guys. It's that easy. But remember, this is a newer vehicle. These radios are a lot of times a lot is controlled through the factory stereo, so you can't just swap it out and do it like you can on older vehicles. It runs through the computer, the CAN bus system. If you guys have any questions, please visit wiredcustoms.com or give us a holler.